Hello, everybody, welcome back. We've got a good idiom for you, which is a man or a woman of his or her word. We can say a man of his word or a woman of her word. So, what does it mean? Chivalamita, someone who keeps their promises. Kasi ke pakawlakot istodahast. Pawadikot istodahast. So we can say a man of his word, or a woman of her word. For example, you can trust him, he's a man of his word, or you can't trust him, he's not a man of his word. Or you can say, you can trust her, she is a woman of her word, right? So now, can you give me an example for the idioms? If you can, please write down in comment below.